Hi, and welcome back to Vanguard Motor Sales. My name is Tom Fotios, and today we're standing in front of a jaw-dropping 1965 Chevelle SS 383 stroker, bag, and super bad. Come on up, let's take a walk around. We even got a rise out of Aubrey here on this bad boy. It's got a 383 stroker motor, Demon CARB, chromed out intake, chrome ceramic coated headers, power steering, power front disc brakes, CPP disc brakes, drilled rotors, 11-inch drum on the rear, bagged in all four corners. This thing is super awesome. It has an air conditioning compressor on there. It's not hooked up. It looks like a vintage air system. This thing is just awesome. Sometimes pictures look better than the car or vice versa, but definitely the paint on this, you cannot see how cool it is in the pictures. It has pearl silver ghost flames that just look awesome. Beautiful chrome all the way around, laid over a solid steel body. This little Malibu is just jaw-dropping. It's got seat belts in it. Take the kids out for ice cream. It is unbelievable, guys. This will not last. You got to call Tom today at 248-974-9513. All the doors and everything sit super perfect. Look at that. BUDNIK wheels. It has all the right stuff, guys. Call me today. It is not going to last. 248-974-9513. I forgot to also mention it does have the Flowmaster exhaust system that just sounds throaty. 400 turbo trans. It is just tasty, guys. Alright, Aubrey, let's check out the trunk in here. You got a beautiful, solid California trunk. They detailed it out really tastefully, nice and carpeted. You got your disc changer over here on the left, and in the back there, that's for the air ride suspension. It's really, really cool, this air ride. We're going to give you a little demonstration too to show you how it actually works. It's very cool. I'm going to drop the trunk and we're going to take a walk around the passenger side, fire it up, show you how you can adjust the air ride on this, and we'll go from there. Beautiful paint, didn't find any flaws in it. Beautiful chrome, stainless. This car was just tastefully done. If you look down every angle, you can see this car is very, very straight, level, and very clean. Being from California, that's how it offers this beautiful straight body. It's sitting on BUDNIK wheels. Just wonderful, tons of power in this car. 383 stroker. I mean, it is just wonderful to drive. Don't wait. This car will not last. My last 65 sold in a day. Call Tom today at 248-974-9513. Alright guys, this has air ride suspension. Look at that. You can make it drag on the floor, baby. This is air ride, not hydraulics. Very nice system. It is sitting on the ground, guys. Let's make it go up. All four corners. It's got remote, so you can do it remotely, which is wonderful. There goes the back end. Let's get the front end up. Wonderful, look at that. How cool that is. drop it down. It's pretty cool. It's like having a toy. The interior offers a beautifully done black and gray interior. It is just beautiful, very tastefully done, folks. Beautiful black carpet, a set of autometer gauges, B&M shifter, super shifter that is, and a wonderful sound system. As you saw, there's a CD changer in the back, and looks like, I don't know if the horn's work or not. We'll try it once we plug it in. Beautiful dashboard. This car was tastefully done, guys. It'd take you tons of money to build something like this. What an awesome sounding 383 stroker that is. Hey guys, don't forget to sign up on our social media at Facebook, YouTube, or Twitter. Become part of our social network so you can see vehicles like this before they're offered to the public. And also download the 7 deadliest mistakes of purchasing a classic car online at ClassicCarBuyingSecrets.com. We save many people $1,000. Download yours today so you don't make the same deadly mistakes. And also, if we don't have what you're looking for, sign up for our auto locator at VanguardMotorsales.com and tell us what you're looking for. We'll love to help you. Thanks again for joining us today, and remember, at Vanguard Motor Sales, we are dedicated to putting your dream in your driveway.